so we're congruent to y is equal to 4x squared. So a is going to be plus or minus 4. We have a maximum, right? We're talking about a maximum. So that means we're talking about a downwards facing parabola, right? So the maximum will occur at the vertex here. So if it's downward facing, a has to be negative, right? But the maximum occurs on the x-axis. Okay, so what this means is, right, here's my axis. So it's going to look something like this. So we know for sure, right? We don't know what the x value is right now, but we know for sure that the y value must be 0 because the maximum happens on the x-axis. Okay, so then the vertex of this, right, is going to be hk, right? Which we don't know what h is right now, but we know that k must be 0. But if the axis of symmetry is x is equal to 3, right, that means this here is where the axis of symmetry is. So that means we do know what this x value is, right? It's going to be 3. So the vertex is at 3, 0, right? We know what the a value is, so plugging everything in, we get the following.